Hey guys, it's Kate. I thought I'd come in with a quick watercolor greeting card today. So I'm doing a thank you card, but you can do anything you want, any sentiment, stamps, stencils, whatever your heart desires. But this is a really quick project, so I grabbed some modeling paste and a couple of my favorite stencils that are well used and went ahead and put some texture on the front of this card. Now I'm just using a single layer watercolor paper, but you can use a folded card or you could use a single layer like I have here and just attach it to another card that you have. And I'm going in with the DDD Praise watercolors that I got a little while back. And I don't know, the 3Ds kind of throws me off. I want to say something like it's da-da-da praise. But I'm going in with some nice little earthy colors, and I'm sort of doing a purple and turquoise after this. I don't know what the color names are, they're just numbered, but if you have the palette, I'm using 11, 12, and I believe 20. And so I'm getting the paper nice and wet and just letting it flow through that texture, that wonderful texture from the modeling paste. And I'm going back in with my layers. I'm just going to make sure that I get the whole card covered and let it get that nice marbling effect. And then I'm just spraying it so I can get enough of the edges. And I really, really love those hearts and really the dots too and how it looks. And besides drying time, this is a really fast card to do and it's a lot of fun. So if you use if you wanted to batch bake these for a group of friends or family, you absolutely could. Just do one after another, let them dry, and then do your next layer. So I'm going to let this dry and then go back in. I have my hole punch and just some regular cardstock there, and I am using, it's a new purple color of stamp I just got. I'll have to add it to the description below, but I'm just going around the edges with the tool, and I am going to grab a stamp and put thank you in the circle and then attach it with some these adhesive squares from Dollar Tree, and I have a heck of a time getting the little labels off. And if anybody wants to know, I get my stamps on Amazon in a couple different places, but there are a ton of sentiment stamps, so if you want to take a look online, you'll probably find some that you like. But yeah, I could barely get the stickers off of those. It took a while. And this is sped up and it's still taking a while. There I go. There it goes. So I hope you liked this today, and until next time, keep creating, of course. What else would I say?